this tiny eraser is a game changer for DIY repairs and home fixes. Imagine having a magic tool that can erase mistakes and make old items like new. Meet the eraser, a simple yet powerful solution for many household problems. From scuff marks on walls to scratches on furniture, the eraser is a go-to fix. But did you know that the eraser can also be used for polishing metal and removing stubborn stains? It's like having a mini miracle worker in your toolbox. With the eraser, you can restore old items to their former glory without spending a fortune. The eraser is not just for minor fixes. It can also be used for larger projects like refinishing furniture or repairing electronics. By using the eraser, you can extend the life of your belongings and reduce waste. This is especially important for environmentally conscious individuals who want to live sustainably. In fact, the eraser is a great tool for anyone who wants to save money and get creative with DIY projects. So let's dive into the world of DIY repairs and home fixes with the incredible eraser. From erasing scratches to polishing metal, the possibilities are endless. But before we get started, let's talk about the different types of erasers available. There are two main types: standard erasers and specialized erasers. Standard erasers are great for everyday use and come in various shapes and sizes. Specialized erasers, on the other hand, are designed for specific tasks like removing stains or polishing metal. Now that we've covered the basics, let's move on to the fun part, using the eraser for DIY projects. First, let's talk about how to use the eraser for minor fixes like scuff marks and scratches. To start, you'll need a small amount of eraser material and a gentle touch. Gently rub the eraser over the affected area until the mark disappears. But that's not the strangest part. The eraser can also be used to polish metal. Imagine being able to make your old metal items shine like new without spending a fortune. To do this, you'll need a specialized eraser and a bit of elbow grease. First, rub the eraser over the metal surface until it's clean and shiny. Then, use a gentle cloth to buff the area and remove any remaining imperfections. Wait until you hear what comes next. The eraser can also be used to remove stubborn stains. But how does it work, you ask? It's simple. The eraser absorbs the stain and lifts it off the surface. This is especially useful for removing grease and grime from hard-to-reach areas. For example, let's say you have a stubborn stain on your driveway. To remove it, you can use a specialized eraser and a bit of soap and water. Rub the eraser over the stain until it's gone. Then rinse with water and dry. And then something unexpected happened. The eraser can also be used to repair electronics. That's right, this tiny tool can help you fix everything from broken zippers to faulty circuit boards. To do this, you'll need a bit of patience and some specialized eraser material. First, identify the problem area and remove any loose debris. Then, use the eraser to gently pry the damaged part away from the rest of the item. Finally, replace the damaged part with a new one and reassemble the item. But that's not all. The eraser can also be used to restore old items to their former glory. This is especially useful for furniture, which can often be restored with a little bit of TLC. To do this, you'll need a specialized eraser and a bit of creativity. First, identify the type of material you're working with: wood, metal, or something else. Then, use the eraser to gently remove any imperfections or stains. Next, use a gentle cloth to buff the area and remove any remaining imperfections. Finally, apply a coat of varnish or paint to protect the item and make it look like new. So, what does this mean for you? It means that you can save money and get creative with DIY projects. By using the eraser, you can extend the life of your belongings and reduce waste. This is especially important for environmentally conscious individuals who want to live sustainably. In fact, the eraser is a great tool for anyone who wants to save money and get creative with DIY projects. So, what are you waiting for? Get creative with the eraser and start fixing those DIY projects today. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. Don't forget to like and comment below with your favorite DIY project ideas using the eraser. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.